In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place two images side by side in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to insert two images, line them up neatly on the same row, and publish a clean, readable page that looks great for your team. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to add your images. Make sure you have edit permissions for the space and that you're on the correct page version. If you're working from a draft, it's a good idea to confirm you're editing the latest version so you don't overwrite anyone else's changes. Next, click Edit. You'll see the Confluence editor load. Give it a moment if your page is long or has a lot of attachments. Remember, autosave helps, but it's still smart to keep your changes focused until you're ready to publish. Now, upload or insert your first image. You can drag and drop it directly into the editor, or use the Insert menu to choose a file from your computer or from existing attachments. If your file is large, let Confluence finish processing it before moving on. Clear, descriptive file names help you and your teammates find the right image later. Do the same with your second image, insert it below or near the first one for now. Keeping both images close by will make arranging them easier in the next step. Place both images on the same line or inside a table or layout section. The simplest way is to drag the second image next to the first until you see a caret appear on the same line, then release. If you prefer more structure, drop each image into its own cell in a two-column table, or use a two-column layout section. Tables and layouts help maintain alignment, especially when your page has lots of content. Resize the images so they fit beside each other. Click an image to reveal the sizing handles or preset size options. Aim for a balanced look. Keep them the same height or width, and leave a little breathing room so the images don't feel cramped. If the images are very wide, scale them down so they sit comfortably on one line without wrapping. Finally, publish the page and check that both images appear side by side in view mode. Scroll and confirm everything stays aligned. If the images stack on smaller screens, that can be normal responsive behavior. For tighter control, try the table or layout approach and fine-tune the widths. If anything looks off, return to edit, adjust the sizes or layout, and publish again, and that's it. Your images are now neatly side by side in Confluence.